Hey everybody, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to look at about the conditional statements in Python programming language. Alright, so to work with logic in Python, we must first understand the if, else, and elif. There are many other conditional statements in Python. However, I will first introduce you the basic conditional that will allow you to do the most amount of logic work. So first of all, what I would like to say is all conditionals evaluate the result of the conditional expression. For example, if not if condition equal to true, all right, and if condition when the condition it was met. So if we run this, we will have the condition was met. So let's say condition is false if condition when was the condition met? I don't think so. So we don't have any result right here. If we run this, say. So some data structures are truly false one empty, but true one they contain items. Why I want to say this? Let's say, for example, grocery. We don't put anything inside the list. If groceries, print, we have some groceries. All right. And invoice. Let's say we have invoice, Mao, and Dodo. If invoice print, we have some invoice. So if we run this app, we will have only Mao and Dodo, or we have some invoice. Yes, we will not have. We have some groceries because the grocery is just empty list. So that means if groceries is false, but we have invites, Mao and Dodo, the value exists. So if invites, that means true. So we have some invites. It printed out that we have some invites. All right. So other data types like integers, 0 and any other positive are also true. But 0 means false, but other means true. For example, like here, properties, value 0, if properties, print, we have properties. Let's say another one is parents 2. If parents, print, there is more than one parent. All right. So if you run this there is more than one parent. Why? Because parents 2, not 0. But here property 0, that may false. So we have properties will not show after we run this. All right. Okay. The other things, the one more thing that we need to know is that the operators are also supported in conditional statement. For example, if properties equal to 0, with no properties. If parents greater than 1, with there's more than one parent. So we have no properties and there's more than one parent right here after we run it this cell. So when an if condition is not met, we can use the else condition in that order. But don't try to combine several if and else conditions and keep them to minimum it. Otherwise, it will make code harder to read. So let's say if properties, then we have properties as when we don't have any properties. So we don't have any properties, all right? Okay, so that's it for today. And in next episode, we are going to look at the rest of the conditional statement like elif. All right, so see you there.